privatization and disinvestment also. Under the leadership of our B.K. Hariprasad and Congress leader, we have already met the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah ji. Siddaramaiah ji has already promised to, under any circumstances, should not leave the privatization for the Karnataka assets and property of the Karnataka. We have already entered over to the 1 rupee token to the Steel Authority of India Limited or Government of India. So, in Bhadravati citizens and our steel workers of Bhadravati, we have already decided under any circumstances we should not leave the for privatization or disinvestment of the Visvesvaraya Industry Plant. Under any circumstances, we should not allow any private person to the Bhadravati in Karnataka state also. Similarly, I am requesting all steel workers and all integrated steel plant workers how to cooperate to save the Bhadravati, Durgapura and Salem steel plant also. They have already extending the cooperations and support and solidarity, unity for the saving of the 3 special steel plant also.